Hi everyone, I am here with another video. This is about strings in Python. So here I am going to explain the basic details about strings and some methods that we can apply on strings. So first let us see what is a string in Python. String is a sequence of characters. String is a sequence of characters. What is a character? Character could be anything, that could be a digit, that could be an alphabet, that could be a special symbol. So all those can be called as a characters. Then strings are enclosed in single quote, double quote, sometimes triple quotes also. So let us assume S is one string. I would like to keep this text in that string hello. So how am I enclosing that text? It is enclosed within double quotes. So this is S1. Let me take another string how. This is, let me enclose this in single quote. S3. Let me do this in triple quotes. Uh, do you do? Okay, so let me print all this. Print S1, S2 and S3. Let us see what will be printed. You see, first string I have enclosed in double quotes, second string I have enclosed in single quotes, third string I have enclosed in three double quotes. That means triple quotes. Okay, so all these are different ways, three different ways to represent a string. So the first two are very same. The third one can be used to represent multi-line strings. So for example, if you observe the output, hello is the value of S1, how is the value of S2, and how this do you do have been printed as it is I have given in S3. So if you want to put multi-line strings into one variable, we can use triple quotes. So this triple quotes is also used at the beginning of the program to hold multi-line comments. Okay, so these are the different ways. So to further show this in detail, let me print like this, then there will be no confusion. You see, hello, how, do, you do. So do I have put in first line, you do in second line. It is printed as it is, as it is. It is, the lines are not wrapped. Okay. So this is how we can represent strings in Python. We normally work with the first any one of the first two approaches, putting them in single quote or putting them in double quotes. So one thing you must remember here is you should not mix up the things. For example, if you are starting with double quote, let the string be ended with double quote. Okay, you should not mix up different ways. Okay, next, strings are immutable. Immutable in the sense, we have seen other data types in Python like lists. So list is mutable data type, whereas string is immutable. What does this immutable mean? Once the string is created, you cannot edit or you cannot alter the contents of the string. So let us check this one. S equal to hello. I would like to change the first character of the string. Of course, we can access the characters in a string with the help of index. So I would like to change the first character. Instead of H, I would like to put S. Can I do this? Let me just print yes. Let us run this code. It is giving an error. What is the error? str object does not support item assignment. That means once the string is created, we cannot edit the contents of the string. Suppose if you would like to edit the contents of the string, you edit plus store it in some other variable. So if I would like to edit the contents of this first one, how can I do that? I can do like this. Please remember this using this square bracket on the left side of assignment is not possible with strings. So s equal to s plus s of, so I can apply list string slicing here, like list slicing, string slicing can be done. So I know E starts at position 1, then I can give like this. Now this can be changed. This is changed, but it is not, this change did not happen to the original string. We have created another variable with the same name, s equal to s plus s of 1 colon. If you want to edit the contents, we can do like this. Okay, so next we will also see how we can do this with the help of replace and all. Okay, so I will talk about string slicing later. Next, how to read input into a string. So in Python, we have one method by name input, which reads input from keyboard, and the return type of that input function is a string. So obviously we are reading the input in the form of a string. So let me take s equal to input, enter your name. Okay, print your name is, or else let me just print like hello followed by name. Name is taken like S, right? Capital S. Okay, so let us give input for this. Enter your name, Komalam. So what is the message we got? Hello Komala. So this is how we can read a string from the keyboard. So this happened with only one word or one line of input. So how can we take some text which contains several words? So for that one, the same approach we have to use. To separate the words, we can use split. I will talk about this split later also. Why? Because this is an important method of strings. We have to elaborate on that one. So I am taking name equal to enter your name. I will enter both my first name and last name. Then I will take first name. This should be taken like first name, comma, last. Okay. If I run this code, let me give my name, full name as input. Then first name, that means the first word will go to first name, next word Anamalamudi will go to last name. So what is this split operation doing, split method doing? It will separate the given string into words based on space as the separator. The return type of this split method is a list. So here I am storing it in two names. Okay, so let me give enter. So what is the message we got? Hello followed by first name. So we can read multiple inputs like this. For example, here I have exactly two words. I have put them in first name, last name. Suppose if I have several words in the text, then how can we do this? Text print text. Let us run this one. Let me give some text here. A crazy programmer is writing code is writing code in Python. Let me give the text like this. You see what happened here. A crazy programmer is writing code in Python. So all this went into one list by name text. So what are the elements of this list? They are all nothing but words given in the text. So what is the separator here? Space. So for a split method, the separator is space. Suppose if you would like to separate the words by comma, you must give comma over there. So okay, we will see all those things while discussing this split method. This is how we can read multiple words as input into the string. Okay. Next, what are the operations we can perform on strings? Let me take one string s equal to hello. I would like to find the length of this string. What can I do? I can apply the function len s. This should give the number of characters present in the string. Yes, exactly. So to find the length of the string, what is the function to be used? Len. This len function is applicable on other data types of Python also. They are lists, dictionaries, sets, tuples and strings. This will give the number of elements present in those data types or number of characters present in that one. Okay. Now, suppose there are two strings. How can we compare them? What is the operator used to compare two strings? You see, S1 is hello, S2 is also hello. So how can I compare that? If S1 equal to S2, print same, same or equal. Otherwise, print different. Let me run this code. Okay, so both are hello. As both are equal, the message equal came. So what is the operator we are using to compare two strings? Nothing but double equal to, just like we do with integers or float values, etc. Next, concatenation. How can you combine two strings? Let me just take another string. Let me take this as how are you. I want to combine the contents of these two strings. How can I do that? Print S1 plus, I missed giving comma after hello, I am giving it now, plus S2. So what should be printed? Hello, how are you? So this plus is acting as concatenation operator. If you put plus in between two strings, the contents of those two strings will be merged or combined. Next, replication or repetition. So how can you make one string repeat for multiple times? So we have seen this kind of operator for list replication. The same logic applies here. For example, I would like to print hello for 5 times, or just let us see 2 times. So how can we do this? You see, hello is printed for 2 times. Hello is printed for 2 times. Okay, so this asterisk is acting as a repetition operator with respect to strings. Okay, next, how can we reverse string? Just now we have seen the operations that we can perform on strings. This reverse is also one operation performed on strings. So as strings are immutable, we cannot apply reverse method on strings. This is not applicable on strings. So for this reason, what we can do is, with the help of list slicing, we can perform reverse of the string. S equal to hello. Let me do like this. This will give reverse of the string. So this we have seen with lists also, how this reverse can happen. The same logic applies here. We cannot apply reverse or reversed on strings. OLLEH. Let us just check whether this reversed can be done on strings or not. str of, I will let you know why I am using this str. str reversed of, yes, let me just check. Reverse will not work. Let me just check whether reversed works or not. Oh, it is printing reversed object. It is not able to convert to str. Let me just convert this to list and see. Yeah, it is being done, but it is not able to convert to string object. So that means we cannot also use reversed with respect to strings. So just to confirm that one, I have checked this. So what is the only option we have to reverse a string? This, with the help of this list slicing. Yeah, good. Next, let us see some important string methods. First, let us just check replace. I told in previous session that replace can be used to change the contents of the string. So let me take s equal to hello. I would like to change the first character. So what can I do? S dot replace H with S. Okay, H with S. If I print yes, it will not be updated. Let us see. Replace will be done, but it will not reflect on the original string. The same we got HELLO. So the line 3 is executed, but the changes are not reflected on yes. So for this reason, what we can do is either we can put it in another variable, or we can put in the same variable. Then the original yes will be replaced with this. I mean, original yes will be cleared from the memory, and this new variable will be created. So now it should work. So this is the point here. Even if you try to change with the help of built-in methods of the string, the original string will not be changed. You have to create another string and hold the result. Okay, so this is the logic here. So if you are getting confused, you can name it with another variable, no problem. Even if you use yes, that original yes will go off and this new variable yes will be created. Okay, next. These two are split and join are very important string methods. So using split, you can divide the string into words based on some separator, Using join, you can do the reverse operation, reverse to split. So with the help of separator, you can combine the contents of the list into a string. Let us see how this happens. Let me take some s equal to hello, how are you? This is the string given. Then some s1. I would like to divide this whole string into words based on the separator space. So some L list equal to S1 dot split. What will happen? This L will hold the words of the string hello, how are you? Okay, so what this split is doing, it is dividing the text into several words, and those words are stored in a list, and then we can have all those words in the form of a list. So the return type of this split method is a list. Okay, so to ensure that we can print it and see. You see, hello, how are you? These are the words separated by space. Okay, suppose if our string is like this, comma, like this. Now if you apply this split method, it will treat the whole string as one word. You see, that whole string is treated as one word. So for that reason, you must explicitly mention the separator here. If you do not mention anything, what is the separator assumed? Space is the separator. Now let us do this one. You see, we got them as separate words in the form of a list. Now, what this join can do? I told you just now, join acts in opposite way to split function, split method. So how does this work? So let us consider some s2 equal to comma. I am giving the separator first dot join. For this join, what is the input? Input is the list. For split, what is the output? List. For join, what is the input? List. So the split is mentioned at the end of the string. The separator is mentioned at the end of the split method. The separator is mentioned before the join method. Okay, this is also one difference. So now what will this s2 contain? Let us print this one. Print s2. You see what is printed for s2? Hello, comma, how, comma, are, comma, you. This is same as original string s1. So now I think you can understand how split and join act in opposite ways. So split will divide the string into multiple words based on the separator given, and the return type of this split is list. What is this join doing here? Join will connect or combine the strings that are present in the form of a list with the help of one separator. So that separator here is comma. Okay. So if you understand split and join, you can write several programs based on strings in Python. So in next video, I will discuss some application programs for all these methods that we are discussing. So due to time restriction, I cannot discuss the programs right now. Just I am giving some simple examples. Okay. Next, find and index methods. So what this find will do? Find method finds the first occurrence of the given character or given string in the string. Okay. So let us take s equal to hello. I would like to check the position of E in the string S. So how can I do that? S dot find E. So the return type is integer. So that must be held in some variable. Print position. Or else you can directly print S dot find of E. You see, What is the output we got? 1. The position of E is 1. So will it work for a substring? Let us check. Yes, it is working for a substring also, for a character also. Now we will get a doubt normally. If that string or if that substring or the character is not present in the string, then what can we do? What this find will do? So let us see that one. Let me give some x which is not there in given yes. So what will be printed? -1. So is it not equal to our search operation? Yes. So the search operation in strings can be easily done with the help of this method find. So if the element or character is present in the string, it will return the position of it. That is nothing but first occurrence will be given. If that character is there multiple times, it will only pick the first occurrence. Next, if it is not present in the string, then what will be returned from that find method? -1. Okay. Now, there is one more variation to this find method, that is nothing but rfind. Rfind is like it will find the first occurrence of the given character or string from right side of the string. Okay. So let me take another string O, another letter O. What this find will do and what this rfind will do, let us check. You see, the first occurrence of O is at 4th position, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let me change this a bit and let me put this like rfind. So what will be printed? You see, in earlier case it is printed as 4, now it is printed as 5. So it will consider from right hand side. So right hand side, what is the first occurrence? At 5th position. Okay. So this is the output for find and rfind. Next, let us check what this index will do. Index is same as our list index method. So it will also give the position of the character at the first occurrence. Okay. You see 4. Similarly, R index is also there. It must give 5. Yes, perfect. So now you may think that both find and index are very same. Then why should we have them as different methods? When the element or character is present, both will work in the same fashion. If the character is not present, find will return -1, index will return value error. Okay, so let us just check that. Let me give x. It should give an error. Why? Because that x is not present in the string. You see, what is the error given? Value error. That is the fundamental difference between find and index. Okay. Next, strip. Strip is used to remove extra white spaces at the left side and right side of the string. Okay, let me take s equal to hello. Let me print the length of this one. Print len of yes. What is the length of this string? Why we got 9, but the number of characters there are 5 only. So what happened? I have given 2 extra spaces on the left hand side and 2 extra spaces on right hand side. Now let us do this strip method on this string. Some s equal to s dot strip s dot strip. Now let me print the length of s. You see the difference. In first case, the length of the string is taken as 9. In the second case, the length of the string is 5. What happened? So the white spaces that are present on the left side and right side are removed. There are other variations of this strip. They are nothing but L strip and R strip. You can easily understand them. Like L strip is, it will remove white spaces on the left side only, and R strip will remove white spaces on the right side only. This strip will do on both sides. Okay. So this is important while processing text, to remove extra spaces or to remove unwanted characters, etc. This strip will be helpful. Next, there are some methods that will check the nature of the character. They are like is alpha, is digit, is numeric, is all num, etc. Okay, so let us just see this one. S equal to hello. Uh, Let me just print. The written type of this is alpha is true or false. S dot is alpha. Okay. So what is the written value here? True. That means all the characters present in S are alphabets. Let me change this a bit. Hello 1. What is the written type of this? False. Why? Because a number is there in that one. Okay. Then, so is this applicable on the whole string or can it be applied on character? Yes, it can be applied on character also. S of 0. Yes, true. We are checking with only one character, that is alpha. If you check with the whole string, that is false. If you check with only one character, that is alpha. Okay. Now let me just check with S of minus 1 dot is alpha. Minus 1 in the sense the last character. Like lists, we can use negative indexing with strings. Okay. Let us see this one. False. Why? 1 S of minus 1 will give 1. It is not alphabet. Let me just check whether it is digit. Is digit? We must get true. Yes. So this is how this is alpha, is num, all these things work. Next, with respect to case, there are several methods available. These are also helpful while processing text. So lower, upper, swap case, title case. So all these methods will work with the case. Lower method will convert the text into lower case. So similarly, upper. Then we have is lower. Is lower will return true or false if the given text is true, otherwise false. Is upper. Suppose if you want to convert the given text into another case, for example, if the text is in lower case, you want to convert it to upper case, then what is to be used? Swap case. All these methods are very simple and we can easily understand. So let us just check. S equal to hello. This is in lower case. I would like to print it in uppercase. So how can I do that? S dot upper. Yes, all are turned to uppercase letters. You can work with remaining methods in the same way. Next, another one which is helpful while performing string search or pattern recognition, etc., starts with, ends with. So these methods are, for example, uh, let me take Ramu is a good boy. I would like to check whether this string S is starting with Ramu or not. What can I do? Print S dot starts with Ramu. What is the written value? True. Yes, it started with Ramu. I would like to check whether this text ends with boy. How can I do that? Ends with boy. Yes, true. Suppose if I give ends with bo, what should I get? False. Yes. So this method starts with and ends with. These are also important while working with patterns or while working with text processing, etc. Okay. So this is about the string methods and introduction to strings. Still, I haven't discussed string slicing thoroughly. So in the next video, I will make a set of programs. In the next video, I will bring some more programs to understand these strings thoroughly, and at that time we can discuss some topics that are missed out here. So I think you understood this lengthy description about strings very well. Sorry for the length of the video. I hope this is helpful for you. That's why I continued even though it is going lengthy. If you liked the content, please like, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.